been sizing up your worth by who you're standing next to, chasing after footsteps that were never meant to guide you. You keep hiding on your magic, trying to blend in with the crowd, but your blessings and bubbles, you've been too afraid to sound. You will lose when you choose to be you, but you will lose when you choose to be me. Can't you see it? You will lose when you choose to stay